Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today in this video you will learn how to upload large size files to your WordPress media library. So for example, you have a WordPress website and you want to upload your audio, video or PDF files and their size is more than 100 MB or 500 MB, then you cannot upload them directly to your media library. Even if you increase your file upload size inside cPanel or using htaccess, you will still not be able to upload the files, and that is what I am showing you in this video. Now before trying and fixing this problem, let me show you what exactly the problem is. So this is the website to which I was uploading my audio files and those were large in size. Even though I increased the size here in cPanel, as you can see the maximum upload size is 128 MB and this is also 128. Now I cannot upload less than 100 MB files even though I increase this. I also tried to increase this in the htaccess file and still it didn't work for me. So let me show you how we can fix this, and before fixing this let me show you the exact problem. So this is the audio file that I am going to upload here, so let's try this. Then as you can see, unexpected response from the server, and this is due to the maximum file upload size. So let's see how we can fix this. And to fix this problem, we will have to upload our files directly to our web server, and for that you will have to access your cPanel, or if you don't have the cPanel login, then you can do it using FTP. So you can choose any of the method, and in this video I will show you how we can upload files through cPanel, and the procedure is same for the FTP. So just you need login to your WordPress directory. So let's go to our cPanel, and inside cPanel just go to File Manager. And every cPanel has a different view, and this is the hosting in which the file manager look like this, and most of the cPanels the file manager will be the same, and you will also see these folders when you log in with FTP. So just go to public.html, and I am using a subdomain which is this one. You will just need to find the WP content folder, which is this one. So just go to WP content folder and then go to uploads, and then go to the recent year. So as this is 2021, so I'll open this folder. Now here you will see the months. So this is the 9th month and we have a folder with 09. So just open the current month folder. So I'll open this, and here we have all the images that are showing here in the media library. So we will upload our files over here, and to upload the file we will just click on upload. We'll choose file and we'll select the audio file. So select the file that you want to upload and click on open and click upload, and this will start uploading the file. So as you can see, this is 77 MB. Let's wait for this. And as you can see, we have uploaded the file successfully. And even though we uploaded the file, if I go back and I refresh this, and still we can't see that file, and the reason is that is only on our server and we will have to import that to our media library. So to do this we will add another free plugin. So just go to plugins and click on add new, and here search for add from server, and you will get this plugin. So add from server by Doin Hulse or something. Just install and activate this. And once you activate that plugin, you will see a new tab inside your media library which is add from server. So just click on this, and here you will see all the folders from your cPanel. And as we have uploaded our file inside uploads, so we will go to uploads, and here we will have to go to the 2021 folder and the 09 month which I showed you earlier. So just click on this, and again you can see all the files that are there. As you can see here, we have the cPanel, and now we have all of these over here. So let's find the file that we just uploaded, and its name is episode 8. So let's find that. So as you can see, this is the file that we just uploaded, and to import this we will just select this and we'll scroll down and we'll click on import. Then as you can see, we have successfully imported it to media library. So let's check this out. We will go back to library, and now we have that mp3 file. So let's check its size. As you can see, this is 77 MB. We can play this, and we can also embed this on our website. So that is how you can import large files to your media library. Again, you will just need to access your cPanel, either using your cPanel or you can use FTP login. So once you upload your files, then you will be able to use this like the normal files. So hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.